Welcome to Val's Quick Tips and Trick Cooking Channel. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. भरपूर पावस पडटा हिंगासर आजुनी फेस्टिवल सीजन. तर हांव म्हापसा गेल्ली आनी म्हापसा सोटया म्हाका मेवल्यो लेपो आनी ह्यो आमच्यो फर्स्ट लेपो ह्या सिजनाक. तर हांवें चिंतलें कितें तुमकां दाखोवपाक हेजें. तर पयलीं हांव तुमकां सुटी करूंक दाखयता. So today I had gone to Mapsa market, that is a Friday market, and I got this sole fish, lepo in Konkani and sole in English. So I will show you how to clean, and it's like fresh, muddy. First we have to wash this nicely. So I will wash this now. So here it is. So now this was the first to come for this season, so it was very expensive. 600 rupees kg they were asking for. Otherwise it is very cheap in Goa, and I got it like for quarter kg. This is 200 I paid. So and I don't like the bigger sole fish. You get bigger size also. For me it is tasteless. I don't like that. I like either more smaller than this or this size. That's it. This is the size what I love from my childhood. In market you get the bigger versions also, but no, I don't prefer that. So let's clean this now. And to clean this, see, the smaller size is like this you get, which is also tasty, and then it is like little bit medium, and then this, and you get a big one, mama sole. So to clean you have to catch this gland and you pull like this, and then take this in a pinch and just pull this. Okay, same way with the other side. So only cleaning part is remove the skin, and then you have to only chop the head. Okay, so same way we have to do for the other ones. And what I was saying, some like to keep this, but some don't like to keep, then just chop it. That's it. Ready to make whatever you want to make, curry, fry, rava fry, whatever. And if some doesn't like this sides, then also you can just cut it with a scissor or like this. But when you fry this, it is crispy and tasty. So this is how it is clean. One more I'll show you. Have you ever tried sole fish? This is my childhood, one of the favorite. Actually, I am fish lover. I love fish, and whether it is with thorns, without thorns, I just love it. And I have grown in Goa since my childhood with my grandparents and my parents, and our neighbors were all like, the village where I grew is Kalangat, Paga side. Beach was just 2 minutes away. So for me, like the neighbors, there was like upper village and we were in the down village. Upper village were all fisher man people, families staying, And then we used to go every morning with our siblings when we were big, just to touch the boat, and we used to get free fish. Yes. And the neighbors, whenever they get extra fish, they used to just give us whatever. Like, I think so we never spend money much on fish those days, what we are spending now. But still Goa is not that expensive than the other places, for fish at least. So this is my story I told you. Every person will have different stories. Okay, so this is what you have to clean this. Then I will show you what to do next. I will show you how to fry our lepo, that is sole fish. So salt first, lesser than what you have to add, okay? And we'll add some ginger garlic paste, one teaspoon. Keep this aside. We'll add some turmeric powder, coriander powder. So 1 teaspoon, and 1 teaspoon chili powder, and we will add, this is chana flour and rice flour grind together, 1 teaspoon. And we will mix this nicely and fry this, applying rava. Okay, so, and this is tamarind pulp. Now mix this. And we'll fry this. Okay. Now let's coat this with semolina. So plain rava, so let this only coat all the lepos nicely, and then we'll fry. So keep oil for, and make it hot and fry it crispy. So I have coated all, now we'll fry. The oil is hot. Let's flip flop this. Once it is nicely crispy, golden brown, it's done. So here is our Lepo fry. Rava fry is ready. And this is the another batch. So म्हणता तुमकां सगळ्यांक आवडटलें आनी तुमी करून खातले आमचें गोंयच्यो ह्यो पूण डेलिकसी जावन आसा आमच्या गोंयच्यो किचनाच्यो ऑथेंटीक ट्रेडिशनल आमच्यो गोवन लेपो दॅट इज सोल fish fry. Try this, make it, and if you get smaller ones, best ones. Tasty, yummy, and delicious. Thank you. Give it a go.
Here we are, Goan traditional Lepo Rava fish fry. Tasty and yummy and crispy. Enjoy.